All right, everyone. Well, we are back with Mitchell as promised. This week's episode is going to be talking about weapons detection as a safety precaution in labor and delivery areas. Now, some of the labor and delivery facilities has an actual hospital where you can go in and walk through an emergency department, and they already have detections, but that is not available in every type of facility. So I am here with Mitchell Spector, who is going to talk to us about some of the innovations that companies have developed, security companies have developed, to be able to address those discrepancies.
Yeah, no, that's great, and you hit the nail on the head with the topic and how it's becoming a new thing that labor and delivery rooms are having to integrate. There has been some mandates and some legislation that's passed in particular states that are now requiring these devices to be implemented into the security system, so that way you can reduce the risk, or you can at least identify if people have weapons on them beforehand. Unfortunately, in labor and delivery rooms, there's been enough incidents that have occurred where they decided that, we need to upgrade our standards. And so as a security integrator ourselves, we always want to help our customers make sure they're able to meet those compliance standards. And so a great example of that is we have Evolve Systems is one of the manufacturers that we work with. They actually have mobile gates where they're almost like a metal detector, but it's a lot smarter than a metal detector. It's not just finding this person walked through, they had metal on them, and then you have a security guard go and pat them down. Instead, it's real time. People can walk through, they can pass through, and it's smart enough to know the difference between, oh, it's just a pocket knife, or, oh no, this is a firearm. And it integrates with the camera system where it can actually let you know where the location on the person is for the weapon. So they're able to say, okay, this person walked through, they have a firearm, it's on their right hip, it's in their pocket. Please verify this, and it will send an alert. So it sets alerts to your security staff and your team, so that way they're not just coming in hoping to find a weapon or anytime metal goes off. Instead, they're able to just have people flow real-time traffic and pedestrian traffic. You don't slow anybody down, and when you're alerted, then you're able to deal with it appropriately.
Now, would you recommend this in an ante-room area, or just in front of the unit itself, so that everyone walks by is compliant?
I would say if you saw it in action, you would be amazed at how non-invasive this is to the flow of actual traffic. So when people are walking through entrances, it doesn't slow you down at all, right? The only time you get slowed down is if you have an alert. So if you have a security guard or you have a front desk, they can be notified as soon as someone walks through. But the vast majority of people that are just coming through, it's a main entrance gate, they can just walk right through. And if we do have people with backpacks or purses or other things like that, there's another one that you can pair with it where it's a conveyor belt, but it's autonomous. You're not actually working where you have staff having to read the x-ray from every single bag. Instead, it has AI and it has better sensors where it can identify and differentiate between, yes, this is a threat, or no, this is not, so that way you don't have to have a person staring at it, and you just walk through at regular walking speed.
That is super cool. Now, quick question on this piece. So I know a lot of different places, they have remote panic buttons, alerts that staff can wear on them. Is this an additional add-on that can integrate with an existing system, or do you have to purchase a whole solution?
No, I think you hit it on the money. That is the new way for security technology, is that you want everything integrated, right? So if you have a panic button, you have it mounted under a desk. If you see someone comes in with a weapon, maybe it's wielded, you see it's active in their hands, it can get paired, you can be notified, press the panic buttons under the desk right away, and it will go through the proper alert tree, alert your security staff, alert the police, alert whatever. And all of this stuff is now at a point where you can integrate them onto a single pane of glass where it's easy to manage. So user comfortability, user training, and then actual administration of the technology is as easy as it's ever been.
Thank you so much. Very, very helpful, and great meeting you, and thanks so much. I'll be sure to tag you. Please like and share, and I'll be sure to tag Mitchell on the actual posting.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you. It's great to meet you all.